Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to continue with the list comprehension. This video in particular, what I'll do is, I'm going to use map and filter along with the list comprehension, and we'll see if we can find the same result or we'll perform the same operation with the map and filter. So let's do it. And we have been doing this multiple list comprehension videos, and this is probably the second last. So let's see if how it goes. Now, first I'll create a function, and this is going to be check top car speed, and it will take speed as a argument. Then here we are going to simply return. We have been doing these things, so I'm not going to explain this. Fast if speed is greater than 80, else slow. It's a simple if and else. Now I'm going to get the result. So let's say result 1, and we'll create a list comprehension. Again, the same source, action, and condition. So the source is going to be for speed in, and we have to create a variable cars speed. So here I'll create a list cars speed, and let's say 85, 90, 45, 65, 70. Okay, now we have this variable here, so we are looping over it, and then we'll simply just pass the function check top car speed and with the speed value. Let's print this result 1. So we have this fast, fast, slow, slow, and slow. Okay, now let's do this same thing with the map. So map takes I'll show it to you. Map, if I hover over this map, it has two parameters. One is the function, another one is the iterables. So this function reference will be this one, check top car speed, and then by using map we will be iterating over this car's speed, and this will return the values to us. It will return the iterable, a list. So I'll just give the check top car speed function, only the reference, not the function, and then the list iterables car speed. And let's save this in another variable result2 print. If I print it, it will not give me anything because I have to convert this in a list. Now if I run this, so we have the same answer, fast, 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 fast here. Okay, so again, this is with the list comprehension, and this is with the map. So in the map, I'm passing this one function, a reference of the function, this one, and then the iterable, the list cars speed, and then this function is running over these values, and whatever the return is, it is giving us. So this is how map does the same thing as the list comprehension, although in the real world you'll have to find a way to use it. Now let's create another function. So we'll see how to use the filter also. So I'm going to call this check top car speed filter, and here I'm going to change it. So I'm going to return something else. This time I'm going to return speed if speed is greater than 80 and speed is less than equal to 90. Else I'm going to say give me nothing, none. Okay, Now first we'll use the list comprehension. So here again we'll use the source, and source is the car's speed for speed in car speed. Then we are going to have the action. So we are going to pass this function, and I'll say speed. Let's print this. We have already done these things in the last video. So we get this 85, 90 because only two values are, in this criteria, in this condition. That's why rest is none, but I do not want the none. So what I can do is I can call this in a condition also. If this value is true, only then give me the answer. So we are applying this condition over this, and then we are performing this action. So we have 85 and 90. Now I'll do one more thing here. Let me copy this, and I'll show you the walrus operator once again, although we have done it earlier. So because I'm using this check top car speed filter function, this one twice, and I do not want to do this, what I can do is I'll here use the walrus operator. I'll say top speed, and that's how we do it. This is called the walrus operator. And then I'll pass the function. And here, instead of this whole function, I can just pass this variable, this one, top speed. And now if I print result 4, we have the same answer, 85 and 90. This is simple list comprehension. This is the with the walrus operator. I'm going to now comment it out. Let's do this with the filter function. So we'll say filter. Let's call the function check top car speed filter. Again, the reference only, and then the iterables list car speed. Let's convert this back to the list because filter also returns the list. And I'm going to save this inside a new variable. Let's call this result 5, and let's print result 5. And if I run this, we get the same answer, 85, 90. Okay, so this was the list comprehension, and this is with the filter. In the filter, I'm passing this reference of the function, this one, and then car speed here, that variable. So we can do the same thing with the filter and map, what we do with the list comprehension. Although, again, as I said, you'll have to find a way to use it in the real world. All right, so this was all for this video. If there's any question, please let me know. And thank you very much.